Hey everybody, quick announcement. This weekend only, we're having a flash sale you can't pass up. We've mentioned that our sale on our Ninja Prepper printable binder won't last forever, and it won't. As of this Monday, that sale ends. But wait, listen to this. Starting right now, we're having a flash sale going only until Monday. Right now, we're having a sale, $20 off your Ninja Prepper binder, but because of this flash sale, 50% off. No better time to get it. And guess what? We have other things on sale too. Everything on our website is on sale for that matter. For example, we have a family cookbook. You can buy the softcover edition that's mailed to you, or you can buy the PDF digital version sent to you through a file. Totally up to you. But guess what? We've never had the prices this low before, ever. 50% off the Ninja Prepper binder. That's amazing. Now, here's the thing. Perfect time to get it. Perfect time to get the cookbook if you want to get that too. Everything 50% off, but it won't wait. Monday, 9 p.m. when our next video comes out, Eastern time that is, the sale ends and the price goes back to $49.99. We've had so many people rant and rave on how much they love our binder. The Ninja Prepper binder is 50 chapters, over 250 pages of expert tips, tricks, and strategies that you print out and add your own information to. And we add pages to this all the time to add to your binder. It's to be ready for any emergency. Plus, it includes the workbook, over 60 pages of printable and reprintable checklist, so you can be ready and prepared. So get yours today. This flash sale will end on Monday, 50% off. In fact, all you have to do is use the coupon code FLASH to get this amazing price on everything on our website. I'll put a link below. Perfect time to get it now. The sale will not end. Then everything goes back to normal prices as of Monday. Thanks for watching, everybody. We appreciate you, and we'll see you soon.